Welcome to this introduction to Windows. You will learn about file management and basic settings. With this basic knowledge, you should have what you need to begin using a PC with Windows. You will understand file management and storage on the Windows operating system, how Google Drive synchronizes files with the hard drive, and where basic settings can be found and changed. You'll first learn about file management, beginning with the next slide. At the end of that module, you will learn about basic settings. At the end, there will be a knowledge check. Don't worry, you'll get some practice along the way. Once you log into your Windows PC, you'll see the desktop. Two features are key to using Windows applications: the Windows icon or Start menu, and the search field next to it. First, we'll discuss where files are stored on a Windows PC. You will use an application called File Explorer. Begin by typing File Explorer in the search field and click the icon or Open. On the left side of File Explorer, you will see different file locations. Scroll up or down until you see This PC. Under This PC, you will see C:. This is the main hard drive storage where all files are stored, including applications or programs. On a hard drive, files are stored in folders using computer memory. On the Internet cloud, files are stored in folders using networked computer memory in various locations and managed by the cloud storage provider like Google. Using both the hard drive and cloud drive, files can be synchronized and backed up. In other words, the files are stored in both locations. To begin synchronizing files on your hard drive from Google Drive, first log into Google Drive with a web browser. Next, find the download link as shown here. Follow the instructions to download the setup file. After the setup file has downloaded, open the Downloads folder using File Explorer. Run the setup file. Once the setup file has run, you'll be prompted to log into Google Drive. When logged in, Google Drive will synchronize files. You will be able to access the files from within File Explorer with a file location similar to the one shown. Follow similar steps to synchronize files on your hard drive from OneDrive. Congratulations! You should now understand file management and storage on the Windows operating system and how Google Drive synchronizes files with the hard drive. In this video, you will see the Windows desktop and will focus on the Windows system tray. First, you can click the upward-facing chevron and see that there are icons for several applications that are running in the background. Notice the Google Drive icon. The setting for Google Drive synchronization and the status can be seen here. You can also find the network status, volume controls, and date-time settings. To open the control panel, type Control Panel in the search field. When the control panel opens, you'll see options to adjust settings for system security, network and internet, hardware and sound, programs, ease of access, clock and region, appearance and personalization, and user accounts. You can search the control panel for settings you want to change in the top right search field. Using the control panel search, you can change power options. You can select from a default power option or create your own. You can change what happens when you close the lid or press a button. From the control panel, you can add a device, such as a printer. To add a printer, click on Printers and Scanners and look for the printer that is connected to your network. In this example, I click Add Device and find a printer that I know is on my Wi-Fi network. The printer installs and is ready to use. Saving a file as a PDF is a great option to share files with others. PDF is a printer and can be done by printing a file, selecting a PDF printer option, and saving to a file location. Congratulations! You should now understand where to find options for basic settings on the Windows operating system.